So the process of going from this form to this form, of course you guys know, you heard, is called expansion. Okay, so every time I execute expand, essentially it means to dissolve the fraction. Dissolve the brackets. Fraction. Brackets, okay? Alright, so A. So in steps you gotta do this. Minus 3A times by A, okay, plus minus 3A times by B. So you get negative 3A squared and negative 3AB. So the two positive terms inside both become negative because you're both multiplying both of them by negative. Okay, so Arvin, next one.
A squared is Q C minus A squared.
Right, so if you multiply this, you get 2A's, 3B's, and 1C, and A squared, B squared, and C squared. Excellent.